Welcome to the Adrian Brien channel. I'm Reese. I'm one of the sales reps at Adrian Brien Hyundai, and today we're going to be talking about the Hyundai i30N. When Hyundai first released the i30N, they did so trying to prove that a hatch could be stylish, sporty, and practical. And Hyundai, you proved your point. At first glance, the Hyundai i30N catches your attention. Why? The i30N Premium grabs attention with its bold front design, highlighted by a honeycomb grille and sharp LED headlights with a V-shaped daytime running lights. The rear stands out with a bold spoiler and a large dual exhaust, adding a sporty touch and delivering a powerful sound. Adding to its sporty looks are the 19-inch rims wrapped in Pirelli Zero tyres. It not only looks amazing, it's made for the track. Let's tackle the engine. Powered by a 2-litre turbo that makes 213 kilowatts and 392 Newton meters of torque, this thing's a beast. And let me tell you about the transmission. Pair all that with an 8-speed dual clutch automatic or a 6-speed manual, and the N offers plenty of fun. The i30N also offers N grid shift, which unleashes maximum power and torque for up to 20 seconds. For all of you who love adrenaline like I do, it's the perfect bit of fun. The i30N also comes with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, which is not only customizable, but also offers Apple and Android Auto CarPlay support. Along with that, premium Alcantara and leather sports seats, accented with blue stitching, offer both comfort and support, making every drive a pleasure. Oh, and let me tell you about the boot. With 381 litres of capacity, if I can fit, you can fit too. Come, let me show you. Not only that, the Hyundai i30N has amazing safety features, such as forward collision avoidance assist with cyclist detection, intelligent speed limit assist, and rear occupant alert, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. But that's not all. The i30N has lots more to offer. For more exciting deals and offers, visit Adrian Brien Hyundai today. We hope to see you soon.